Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel so emotional right now. This is like the last fast before the last 10 nights start. It's 7:34. We break our fast in about 20 minutes and I'm just feeling so many emotions right now. I don't know, overwhelmed almost, but in a good way too. Like these last 10 nights are so special and they hold so much significance and blessings and reward, and there's just so much weight put on these last 10 days that I just want to make sure that I do my best and I come out with Allah's mercy and forgiveness. And I'm praying for every single one of you guys. I'm not kidding when I say that. I literally make dua for all of my followers, and I just make the intention of like whoever follows me and whoever needs these prayers, like let it reach them, and whatever they're asking for, ya Allah, grant it to them. So yeah, I'm just feeling really emotional. I wanted to pull out my camera and quickly do an intro before I share the rest of the night. So this vlog, I'm going to share with you guys how I prepare and how I maximize my nights during the last 10 days of Ramadan. I'll show you guys exactly what I do to stay really productive, to stay on top and not to waste a single minute. Obviously, you need rest at night. Definitely take the time to rest. You know your body best, but there is a hadith that says fasten your belt and do as much as you can. Like this is the time where you have to like push yourself, like really push yourself. So if you need to drink coffee at night, you best bet this is your chance to drink your coffee at night. So I'm going to try my best, inshallah, and I'm going to share with you guys some great tips. Before I let you guys go, it is the last 10 nights all around the world, so please start it off on the right foot. Maximize and multiply your deeds by donating and giving sadaqah. If you don't want to use my link down below, feel free to donate anywhere. But my cause is a really good one. It's for our brothers and sisters in Ethiopia who are living in poverty. Like 2 million people are displaced. They don't have a place to live. They don't have food. They really need the assistance. So if you donate $75, then Islamic Relief will put together a food package that will feed a family of 5 to 7 people for the rest of Ramadan. Okay, let's get the night started. الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. Hello guys, it's the next day. I'm on my way to my aunt's house for Iftar. My dad's in the car with me. But we're running late with 3 stops to make. Stopping at Chipotle to pick up a veggie bowl for myself because I'm being extra and I don't want to eat what my aunt made. Picking up Popeyes for my brother because he's in itikaf inside the masjid, so he wants food dropped off, and then he also wants chocolate chip muffins from Aldi's. So I have to pick that up too, so we're gonna be late. Today I'm going to my aunt's house for Iftar, so I'm wearing this beautiful lawn outfit from Ilan. It's a couple years old, so unfortunately it's not available on their website, but it's just like a simple kurti. It has a few like embroidery floral designs. It's a really cute cut, like it's like cross, and it has like this slit here, and then this bag is so cute. It's my little sister's Coach pillow bag. It's so cute. If you guys are looking for an everyday like designer bag that's affordable, I know affordable is very personal and it changes for everybody, but this is less than $400. If you guys want it, I will link it down below. And then for my heels, I have on these Sam Edelman heels from Amazon. These are so cute. These would make gorgeous spring and summer heels. They come in a ton of colors. So yeah, this is just my look, and now I'm gonna run out the goods. Now we're at my aunt's house. We're late actually. Rosa opened 5 minutes ago, but we luckily packed dates, so we're fine. Okay, I just made it to the mosque. This is actually really embarrassing because there's a guy standing right there. He's like one of those patrol guys who's like helping people park. But he's like totally watching what I'm doing in the car. And I'm so embarrassed, but I'm still doing it. So I'm putting on my abaya. Hello guys. Okay, so I just left Sarawi and I went to Kroger and picked up a few things because I'm so hungry. I don't know what it is with fasting, but I'm just getting so hungry. I picked up this ginger shot. If you guys don't know, ginger is supposed to have like a lot of like energy boosting properties, and it's supposed to be more effective than coffee. So I figured I'm still gonna drink coffee when I go home, but just for the extra boost, I'm gonna take this shot of ginger. So I picked this up. Sorry, it's so dark in here, but I'm gonna take this shot. Oh my, that's spicy. Okay, so this has ginger juice, lemon juice, pineapple juice. They add a little bit of sweetness, and that's it. It's very spicy. Okay, so I had this. I'm gonna go home, and I'm thinking I'm gonna make a smoothie because, like I said, I'm so hungry. So I got some bananas. I also got some sweet potatoes because I saw this recipe on Pinterest where you can make flourless, no, they're not flourless. They're healthy 4-ingredient brownies, and they use almond flour, sweet potatoes, maple syrup, and cacao powder. Sounds disgusting, but the brownies looked so chewy and delicious, so I want to try it. So I'm gonna go home and make that. I don't know if I'll make it tonight, but I'm gonna make the smoothie first. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna make my smoothie. So for the base, I have almond milk, almond butter. I just made a shot of espresso, a frozen banana, and then I have this protein powder. This is new to me. This is Kachava Superfood. I've heard about this so much recently. I've seen so many ads for this on YouTube and on Instagram. So it's plant-based, organic superfood protein powder. So put that much. Okay, then I'm gonna pour the espresso in here. And then I guess 1 tablespoon of almond butter. I don't know how much I'm supposed to be putting. This could be a fail, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of almond butter. And then frozen banana.
We're done with this?
Yeah. Adding about a scoop. Actually, that was half. I'm going to put a little bit more. About half of a scoop of the protein powder. Okay, I just came upstairs because my dad was on the phone. So we're going to do a taste test. Oh, there's a lot of almond butter on the side. Okay. Wow, that's good. Oh my god. That's exactly what I wanted. Delicious. Okay. Now I'm going to put my camera away. I'm going to change into pajamas, wash this all off, and then follow the routine that you guys saw. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm probably just going to end it here because I'm just going to follow the same routine that you guys already saw. and I want to limit my distractions. So if I just end the vlog here, then I won't think about it anymore and I'll be able to focus. So I hope you guys are having an amazing last 10 days. I'll vlog as much as I can leading up to Eid. I already have 2 videos that I think you guys are really gonna love. It's Eid treats for the whole family, for kids, for family, to pass out to neighbors. And then I have an Eid not lookbook yet, Eid like get ready with me, where I share like my makeup and hijab styles. So that will be super fun in the next coming days. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.